Ha! You think that was it? Well, you were wrong. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of my home. Hey, wait, where are you going? Wait, come back. That's better. Come on, I'll show you around. I said, come on. Oh, you're looking at the siding? Well, this is where I usually store this. But that's not going to happen right now. So let's get on with the tour. As you can see, we have a signal. A switch that actually works. And a very long and very boring siding. But we're not going to talk about that today. No, we are not. Today, we're going to be showing you the tunnel. Goodbye. JK, follow me. It goes all the way here, pops out the other end, and comes round the first bend. We usually take it slow. Or else, we'll do this. Ah! Ow. That's why you take it easy on corners. 'Cause then, well, this'll, wait, what? Okay. Wait, whoa. I'm getting after you. Come on. I need to get the heck out of here before he comes back. Darn it. These couplings are so weak. Now get over here. Come on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be going through the layout, I guess. I'm stuck. Well, at least my cab's peeking out, so I guess that's a plus. Oh no, the points have been set to the siding. Weep! 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 Again! Weep! What? Ow. Wow, now I'm coupled to it. Ow. Well, let's do another crash for the fans. Ouch. Okay, how long do I have to keep doing this? Because this is just getting painful. Oh. Bye-bye. Ow. That hurt. This hurts really bad. What about me? What about you? I'm off the tracks. And someone just did a voice crack. Oh. Powerful. Oh, great, my trailing wheels are derailed. Oh, forgot my name. My name is Gerald. Yes, that is my name. But anyways, and that's a plot character. Anyways, let's go get him. My trailing wheels keep derailing when I go backwards. Dun dun dun. Cannot compute. Oh well, let's go beep somewhere else. Meanwhile, down the siding. No, this is his railroad. No, this is my railroad. His, mine. noises. But anyways, you may be looking at me and thinking, where's Brody Bean? Well, he's been busy making this. Hold on, let me get it. Brody, take him up. Okay. Yes, I have a trampoline. This is the layout. And that is the train. And that is the tunnel. And this is called rain. What are those? Shoes. Anyways, I built a garden railroad. No hope. Hope. I have a whistle. Want to hear it? No. No, I did not edit that in. Wait a minute. Can it be like that one TV show that has trains that bounce around like this? Sure. Yay! I have plot convenience now. I'm finally off the tracks. I'm fripped. My cap fell off again. Oh, well, I guess we could talk about me then. My history is, well, I used to be part of a different train, but then he got scrapped, and then, well, I found myself here, just sitting in a yard with no one to talk to, and a camera on my face. Please get it off, or else I'm going to quit. I actually mean it. Please get this off. This is really uncomfortable. Thank you. Alright, you come with me. Yeet. 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 Ah! I keep derailing. This railroad is not suitable for the public. Yeah, I'm going to open it to the public. Nunny. Ignore the splotches. Anyways, it's going to be, I don't know. Hey, how about we make this an ongoing series? Fine. Yay. But I'm only doing it for the views. Oh, by the way, before we do anything else, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, please like. You want to see more of me, do you? Please leave a like and subscribe. And comment down below if you want to see more of me. Anyways, back to the video. Haha. No. I am riding along the rail line. Ha. Hey, do you want to do that I was bored thing that that one YouTuber? Might as well. I'm streamlining. Hey, I didn't derail for once. I have an idea. Let's peer into the tunnel of doom. You are peering into the tunnel of doom. You are peering into the tunnel of doom. Do you know why it's called the tunnel of doom? Because there's men. Please don't hate me. Please. Zoom one in that funnel. Ballast. Spread. Ballast has been spread. And the birds are flying. Well, they were. Well, I think this is a good time to where we should end our special. Aww. And so, off they went. They were never heard of again. Please subscribe.